Don't trust a stranger with your knife. A shiny suit, a silver tongue, promises whispered, a siren song. They'll spin your world, they'll leave you bare. Don't let them touch what's precious there. It's not just a door, it's not just a key. It's your heart, your pride, your dignity. They'll jiggle, they'll rattle till it's no more. Don't let them mess with what's yours for sure. Don't trust a stranger with your knob. They'll twist it wrong, they'll steal, they'll rob. Hold it firm, keep it close, protect yourself, that matters most. Don't trust a stranger with your knob.